Salamat, Suki.
Okay, salamat. Balik ko niya, alas 3.
Oh, alas 3. Andoon ni tatay. Isa. Oh. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Gala muna kami sa farm. At wait, Daddy, sa aming car nga, Mustang kahintang asa tatay. Where's my dad? Over there. Oh, my dad is going home now. Bye-bye, Daddy. And my mommy is here. Okay, alright. So, what can you say about Daddy, Nanay?
Very good.
Very good. He is good?
He is good husband.
Okay. So, according to my Nanay, my daddy is very good husband. Okay? So, now, we are going to our farm right now and we take walking because the car is dili masigo. Right? Yes. So, today, I will talk to you in English. So, I try to talk English. So, I'm sorry if I'm saying so because I don't have my storya. So, right now, I'm just walking under the banana leaves there, over there. Yeah. And my nanay, my mommy is over there. Nagbit-bit of bayok. She bit-bit the bayok with lechon and Coca-Cola because she gave it to her sister because yesterday my pamangkin's birthday and they don't come because they said they are busy. Busy? What? So, we decided to go their home right now. I love lanzones because their lanzones is very sweet and delicious. See? Because once in a year, the lanzones is bungahin lang. So that's why we take the opportunity. The lanzones we will get. So, kapoy din mag-English. So, we were near at the Tulay, the river, the small river in our bukid. So, Nanay is riding the Tulay. Riding the Tulay. There's a rambutan tree over there. And there's bunga. Dami mga charis lang. So if you're familiar of this area, I've been here before getting their bayabas. Let's see if there's a bayabas again. And we will pick it. And oh, dili ko kakawan kay Nanay. I don't if di ko pa over there there's a tao. So better luck next time again. We will kawat the bayabas. They're over there at the gila of this house.